Hello, and this is the fourth lecture in spheres. Sphere with the given diameter. When the diameter is given, how to find the sphere equation? So that is here there is great circle is there. What is the mean of great circle? So what is the equation of the sphere which touches great sphere means if the intersection of a sphere by a plane through the through its center is known as a great circle. Suppose we know what is the equation of the circle, that is together plane and sphere. So plane equation is there and sphere equation is there, then we say that together is a circle equation. So if plane intersect the sphere and that plane passes through the center of the sphere, that circle is called great circle. Otherwise that is not a great circle, that is called small circle. Now to find the equation of equation to the sphere described on line segment joining the points x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 as a diameter. Suppose the diameter is given, the end point of the diameter is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2, then the equation of the plane is, the equation of the sphere is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 plus z minus z1 z minus z2 is equal to 0. If you simplify it, we get again the same situation, same equation of the sphere, that is for with the common conditions, that is x square y square z square coefficients are same, like that. So this formula to use solve the problems when the diameter endpoints are given. Actually, if we want to say equation of the sphere, definitely we have 4 points. But here instead of 4 points, if there is only 2 points, but the 2 points must be a end of the diameter points. Diameter means that line segment passes through the center is called diameter. So x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 are the end point of the diameter. Then this is the equation of the sphere. So what is the equation of the circle? A circle is the intersection of with the same sphere through it x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p together represents a circle. If you did not join two equations or subtract two equations, together is called circle equation. So the next is sphere through a given circle. If s is equal to 0 is the sphere and L is equal to 0 is the plane equation, then equation of the sphere through a given circle is s plus lambda L is equal to 0. That is called the equation through the equation of the sphere through the circle. That is s plus lambda L is equal to 0. Here if we have sphere equation and plane equation with the conditions what are the conditions here given? the equation of the sphere through a given circle is s plus lambda L is equal to 0. Here if you have sphere equation and plane equation, and find the plane equation with the conditions, find the value of lambda and substitute in s plus lambda L is equal to 0. It means find the equation of the sphere means passing through the circle means if one plane equation is there and sphere equation is there and one condition is there, whatever it may be, passing through the origin like that. So for this we see one example. Find the equation of the sphere through the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0, and the center of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the given conditions. What are they? Question in the you have find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere through the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0, and the center of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0. అంటే పై వాటికి పై రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ గుండా పోయే సర్కిల్ గుండా పోయే ఈక్వేషన్ అండ్ ది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్, మనకు కావాల్సిన స్పియర్ యొక్క సెంటర్ ఈ కింది స్పియర్ మీద ఉంటే వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్. ఇట్ మీన్స్ first of all we take the equation is s plus lambda L is equal to 0. S plus lambda L is equal to 0 తీసుకుంటే what is s plus lambda L is equal to, find the equation of the sphere through the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0 ఉంది. కాబట్టి మనకు కావాల్సిన ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమైనా సొల్యూషన్ is what? Circle equation is x square plus y square plus z square 2x sphere equation and plane equation together is called circle equation. But passing through అన్నాడు కాబట్టి sphere equation is s plus lambda L is equal to 0 form లో ఉంటుంది. What is the center of the given sphere? That is 1 minus 2 and 3. So in s plus lambda L is equal to 0, if you substitute 1 minus 2 3 instead of x y z, we get the value of lambda. What is that value of lambda? Lambda is equal to 2. Lambda is equal to minus 2. If lambda is equal to minus 2, substitute in, if lambda is equal to minus 2, substitute in where s plus lambda L is equal to 0, we get the required equation, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 7y minus 8z plus 24 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. For what condition? Passing through this circle, passing x square passing through the sphere and having its center, having its sphere, having its center on sphere, that is in s plus lambda L is equal to 0, we substitute the values. Lambda is equal to minus 2 we get. Lambda is equal to minus 2, substitute in 3, then we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 7y minus 8z plus 24 is equal to 0. Show that the two circles x square plus y square plus z square minus y plus 2z is equal to 0, x minus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Another one is x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus 3y plus z minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 4z minus 1 is equal to 0. Lie on the same sphere and find its equation. See here, two circle equations are given. Circle equation means one sphere equation and one plane equation. We get the sphere equation, circle equation. Like the two equations are given, those two equations also lie on the same sphere and prove cheyala. So what is the solution? How can we prove it? It means we take first one is as the equation of any sphere through the first circle is x square plus y square plus z square minus y plus 2z plus k, x minus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is first equation. The second circle is x square plus y square plus z square plus x minus 3y plus z minus 5 plus lambda of one constant you take as a arbitrary constant as a k and another arbitrary constant as a lambda. 2x minus y plus 4z minus 1 is equal to 0. You see, the equation 1 and 2 will represent the same sphere. If k and lambda can be chosen so as to satisfy the four linear equations. Suppose man in substitution, if you compare these two equations, we get four equations. In these four equations, we solve any two equations, we get the value of lambda and k, and lambda and k substitute in another two equations. If they satisfy, then we say that the two lines are same in that equations. So k is equal to what? First we compare x coefficients, y coefficients, z coefficients and d. K is equal to lambda plus 1 and minus 1 minus k is equal to minus 3 minus lambda and 2 plus k is equal to 1 plus 4 lambda minus 2k is equal to minus 5 minus lambda. Values, how can we find these values? And k is equal to lambda plus 1. If you take first and second equation and solve it for finding the values of lambda and k. So k minus 2 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0 and minus k plus lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. In these equations we substitute lambda is equal to 1 and k is equal to 3. We get the two values. One is lambda is equal to 1 and another one is k is equal to 3. If these two values lambda is equal to 1 and k is equal to 3, substitute in the remaining equations, that is in 2 plus k is equal to 1 plus 4 lambda or minus 2 k is equal to minus 5 minus lambda. If it satisfies the lambda value and k value in both equations, then we say that is lies in the same sphere. So you substitute here lambda is equal to 1 and k is equal to 3 is what? What we get? K is equal to 1, 2 plus k is equal to 1 plus 4 lambda means, suppose k is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, lambda is equal to 1 means 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 5. So, okay, this is okay. Minus 2k minus 6 is equal to minus 5 minus lambda minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 6 minus 6 is equal to minus 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. Then we say that the given required equations are lie in the same sphere. So actually we say that when we say what is the condition, the equations, suppose we know in the degree levels, intermediate level, what is that? If two lines, suppose two planes are given, find the equation of the plane passes through the intersecting point of the plane. Means what can we do? Write one plane equation, some constant into another equation. For these two, given that some conditions is there, what are they? You see, this is parallel to someone, or this is the that plane is perpendicular to someone, means take that conditions and satisfy the values of lambda or k, whatever it may be, then we substitute it. So this is the condition to find how to satisfy the sphere equation which passes through the circle and plane, sphere and plane. So generally we take the plane equation as L and the equation of the sphere is like S. So what is the condition to find the intersecting of two? That is S plus lambda L is equal to 0. Another one here we take S plus K lambda is equal to K L is equal to 0. From these two we get 4 equations. If you satisfy, if you take first, second or third for one for whatever in these 4 equations, you take any 2 equations and solve it. Then you substitute in these equations, we get the same values of lambda and k. Here one important problem is there. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0 and intersect with the plane and having radius 3 of a circle. Plane is x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 0. Required equation of a sphere is, you see one trick is there. What is that? Generally what is the sphere equation? The coefficient of x square, y square, z square coefficients are same, but here given that only x square plus y square is equal to 4 only. means with there is z is absent, but for that one the plane equation is z is equal to 0. So x square plus y square is equal to 4, z is equal to 0. These two combination of these two these two plane equations, you write the sphere equation, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 4 plus lambda z is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere which we have. X square plus y square plus z square plus lambda z, just constant right other side, lambda z minus 4 is equal to 0. Center of this sphere is, what is center of this sphere? 0, 0 and minus lambda by 2 by using minus u minus v and minus w formula. And radius is what? Lambda square plus by 4 plus 4 means u square plus v square plus w square. Our formula only we can find the radius of the sphere also. Given plane is x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 0. So that is 0 comma 0 comma minus lambda by 2 and the plane equation. What is the perpendicular distance from center to the plane? The formula is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Formula nundi just we write here, perpendicular distance from center to plane is 0 plus 0 minus 2 into lambda by 2 under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. 2 cancel, just that is lambda by 3. What is this? This is perpendicular distance from center to the plane. So in OAB triangle, we know what is OA. OA is lambda by 3 and AB is given, that is radius of the circle, that is 3, and OB is the radius of the sphere, that is lambda square by 4 plus 4. In right angle triangle, what is the formula? OA square plus AB square is equal to OB square. According to that, lambda square by 9 plus 9 is equal to lambda square by 4 plus 4. By this, lambda square plus 81 by 9 is equal to lambda square plus 16 by 4. By simplification, we get lambda is equal to plus or minus 6, and required equation x square plus y square plus z square plus or minus 6z minus 4 is equal to 0. Means, how can we get plus or minus 6 here? If we simplify this equation, lambda square plus 81 by 9 is equal to lambda square plus 16 by 4 is equal to lambda is equal to, simplify, lambda square is equal to 36, then lambda is equal to plus or minus 6. So x square plus y square plus z square plus or minus 6z minus 4 is equal to, these are two equations. So this is our required equation. Thank you.